Rayman Can. Today I'm going to show you how to install a door stop. Let's get started. The tools needed is a drill, flathead screwdriver, drill bit, and a pair of pliers. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the door stopper and put it where it's supposed to go. Take the door and kind of ram it against it, just sort of lightly. What that's going to do is leave an indentation where we're going to drill our hole. And as you can see right here, we have our mark. Next, we're going to drill our pilot hole with the appropriate size drill bit. So from there, you can just screw this in. You can just take it and just turn it, but it's a lot harder. What a lot of people don't know is that you just take like a pair of pliers and you take the white cap off and you put the flathead screwdriver in here and you're going to twist it in. So initially take it and just screw it in. As much as you can. From there, grab a flathead screwdriver and screw it in the rest of the way. From there, go ahead and put your cap back on. If your cap is a little bit tough to put back on, you can use a hammer to lightly tap it into place. Some are harder than others. And now you are all set. Here's before and here's after. So now situations like this shouldn't be a problem. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you know someone that can use this information, don't forget to share this with them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comments or questions, let me know. Take care. I'll see you all in the next one, and thanks for watching.